Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And last weekend, along with Fritz and Daisy, we went to the Queen City Fashion Doll Show in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is the third time we have gone because it is one of the best. This last show was Barbie. I mean, if you were looking for a Barbie, I'm pretty sure she was there. Skipper was the doll of the day. Vintage Skippers. I saw so many. The only Barbies that I bought, I had been looking for the Looks Barbie. I didn't get him when he came out, and I was sorry that I did not. So when I saw him sitting there, still in the box, I love this guy. He looks like an American Indian. I just really, really like that look. When I saw him sitting there for 25, oh man. And then she was at the same booth, and with the hair, I really like that. I thought she'd be a cute Dolls Gone Goth doll, and she does have her, what do you want to call it? It's not really a hat, mask, hood ornament, I don't know. But I made an offer, and I got both for $30. Very, very worth it. I've been looking for a Mego share. And I passed up a couple I wished that I wouldn't have, but I did. So when I found her, I I was very interested, but I knew that she wasn't the Mego share because she's shorter and lighter. This is a hollow body. I found out that this is the what they called bag share. And when Mego sold out, and I forgot the name that he told me, Dolly Me knows, oh, he knows a lot, but he knows share dolls. And he was telling me that they sold out, and the company that bought wanted to cash in on the share doll. So they made what they call the bag share. And if you notice, she pretty much fits Barbie outfits, and she's just a cute doll. So anyway, I got the bag. Well, the lady I bought her from also said that she was the bag share. At another booth, gal had, I think these are really pretty dolls. They are Madame Alexandra Alex dolls. And they were not very expensive. And I made an offer on 3. And I got them because I thought a couple people and I could do a collab with them. Very pretty face. Darren, can you get that beautiful face? And their hair is, I mean, it's all right. It's a lower end doll. It's a Madame Alexandra, but they're cute. And hopefully Darren can make some shoes, or maybe even some of the shoes I have will fit. So I got 3 of those, and excuse me. I bought, the third one I gave to Dory. We met she and Andrew on Friday night, spent the day with them on Saturday at the show and out to eat, and it was so much fun. These were at a booth that had Integrity dolls and Silkstone Barbie dolls. And I love these little capri pants. They're really well made. What I really like are these boots. I'm hoping that they will fit my Integrity girls, but they look very narrow. But even so, cute for Barbie. I mean, really cute for Barbie. They are probably, or could be, Poppy boots. These, I don't know how many pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of stockings. She said she couldn't guarantee that they all fit Integrity dolls, but if they didn't, they fit Barbie. That was quite the find for that was $1 a container. Really good deal. And then this was $2. Oh, that looks short for Integrity, doesn't it? Supposed to be Integrity. That's going to be short. I like long pants. I'm not big on capri, but I got that for $2 and really, really, really like it. Let me tuck that back in real quick. And what else did I get? I got, oh, Darren got this. He's going to be doing a talk. Our train club is having a nationwide symposium, and he's going to be doing a talk on 3D printing. So he's going to use this for, what would you call it, Darren? An idea of how to make benches for the outdoor setup for the G scale. I'm not sure what this is. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, I got this on the way to the doll show. These are $5.99 at Love's gas station. I think they are adorable. I seem to collect them. I have many. These are perfect for the 24-inch Amaya Rain, 28-inch Barbie, and I'm going to get a houndtooth print for my smart dolls, and smaller, and make them a outfit, make one of them an outfit, and see if I can get away with that for my smart dolls. But it just doesn't seem like the right scale. But these are so cute. I just love them. Oh yeah, these are for a collab I have coming up. I hope they are the right scale. The gal that I always buy from right inside the door had these. They were $1 each. I want the paint horse, but I wanted the saddle off the Palomino. It might be a Palomino, I don't know. It's got some dark on it. But anyway, little quarter horse. So I hope those work. And before we left, I had seen this doll, and she was $140. And I really, really wanted her. Saw her when we came in the door, and I thought I should get her. But I was on a mission. I was looking for a red-headed integrity doll, of which I did not find. Well, the prices had gone way up. I wasn't in love with any of the redheads. So on my way out, I made an offer on this doll. They said no. I asked what was the bottom dollar. He said $140. So I shot him another offer, and I got this doll for an unbelievable price, and I am thrilled. This is a Good Smile Float Away Dream. I love, love, love that little dress. The air balloons, oh, the whole thing is so cute. Will I open her? Not today. Will I open her? I don't know. All right, let me scoot this over and show you what Dory brought me. Oh my goodness. We took frog pieces to make these frogs for Dory and I in pink. And we are still going to do that. But in the room, these are strung, so they take some time to put together. In the room, we were working on them, and son of a gun, some of the parts were wrong, and there were some parts missing. But it was just a little error, and we're going to get that all figured out and mail those to Dory and get that all straightened out. And I'm going to get my girl made, and we will show you those later. So that's what we took Dory, and we took her birthday present too. You won't believe what she got me. Oh, this is my birthday present, and I am in disbelief. Still, I am in disbelief. Yes, it is a reborn. Let's show you the little feet. I couldn't hardly wait to see her face. I didn't do her little unboxing as I should, or as the newborn or reborn people do, but I just could not wait to get to this adorable face. And she had her little lovey and a bottle, and it's got the pacifier with the magnets. And Dory dressed her. Oh my God, she's so cute. Look at these little snaps. I sent a picture to J Doll UK because I knew she'd want to see her. And she said, oh my, that I think that's the Lulu sculpt. Now, I don't know. You tell me if you're a reborn person and you know But I don't care who she is. I am loving my reborn. This is the only one I have other than my, well, I have an elf doll that Mel, Gigi Ma Mel made, and one that Dory gave me, the Grogu. You know how Grogu's cut off and then we added legs. But I do not have a proper reborn other than this one. I'm going to let Darren insert me opening her in the hotel room. And then this is what Dory and Andrew brought for Darren, which is so kind. And we've been riding our bikes quite a bit. We're getting ready for company to come. Ooh. Oh, man, I might have to help you eat these. We're getting ready for company to come from out of town, 2 different places, and spend a week with us and ride our bikes. So Darren and I have been riding, trying to ride every day and trying to extend our miles. We've been going, well, Darren's been going about 50 a day. Not every day, but several times. Anyway, I'm up to about 20 something and I need to push that further, but these are going to be good treats for that. And I wanted to show you, Andrew is our restaurant, what do we call him? There was a cute name and I can't think of it. He picks out the restaurants we go to and it's always fun. And he picked out the City Barbecue. I got to tell you, next year I might say, oh, Andrew, let's not change it. This place was amazing, but these bags are like old style grocery bags. I mean, this is so thick. So what am I going to do? You know what I'm going to do. Make patterns. I gave out quite a few skirts. I always take Blythe skirts and shoes, and because they do fit other dolls. And I also took Smart Doll skirts this year and handed those out. Saw a few subscribers, met a few subscribers, met a new gal, and we've been texting back and forth. I love that. That's what I'm all about, getting to know other people in the hobby. Okay, this show is normally in August. They just had the spring show also. The good news is they're still doing the August show. It is only $5 to go to this show, and it's worth it. And they give a $25 gift certificate to ticket purchasers every hour that you can spend there. You know, featuring Barbie toner, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I mean, they have so much. It's overwhelming. You could spend, and I have the full, is it open 6 hours or 7?
5 hours.
5 hours.
10 to 3.
You could spend that whole time looking at dolls and still not see everything. It is incredible. And the prices, to me, the prices there are better than, oh man, about anywhere else. So look at this girl again before I close. Oh, look at her little nose. You know how babies wipe their, when they're laying on their stomachs, they wipe their little noses on the sheets and they get a little red mark. Look at her little eyes. Oh, I love this hair. And she has inset eyelashes. Darren, I don't know if you can get a good, let me turn her kind of sideways so they show up against that box. Let me see.
I can see them.
There they are. Yeah. Isn't she adorable? I named this baby Dory. I asked Dory first. Look at these hands. Oh, my. But the little toes. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.